Entrepreneur. Entrepreneurial process stages. There are four stages in the entrepreneurial process: idea generation, decision making and business planning, project creation, and management and control. In first, idea generation. What is idea generation? The entrepreneur begins to wonder why there is available a product or service, why not improve certain things, how to generate income to convince the expense, etc. Thousands of questions might them will help to identify opportunities to meet the market needs. In previous years, there were not enough amount of goods and services. It was little bit easier to position and a business. However, now it requires a search for information and market analysis to see the possibility of success. It is possible that at this point in the entrepreneurial process, there are many people since the generation of ideas can be much easier. However, the step towards a decision making is where many can stop and perhaps even abandon the idea from the starting a business. Decision making and business planning. A critical point in the entrepreneurial process, deciding to start the project. Be active and self motivated are the main factors for the entrepreneur to start landing his idea. Asking what resources are needed and where he will get them is vital to generate at least one way forward for the entrepreneur. The development of the business plan will mark only a guide that can be used as reference. The project creation, which is explained by the Amit Singh. Mike
How
Banchar.
we have to create the most important part of an entrepreneurship process is the project creation. It shows how we have to create a project on an entrepreneur to begin and invest the resources. So in this, the project is conducted when the entrepreneur decide to seek and obtain resources. Getting financiation is difficult and perhaps one of the main obstacles to start a business. When the entrepreneur begins to invest the resources and begin operating, it is a point release of stress as the entrepreneur will see the first step of his company. Please change this slide. Management and control. After having passed through the first month of operation, the company will see if it decrease, maintain, or increase in sales. The entrepreneurs who strive to maintain revenue growth before worrying about having a nice office. Managing a business is not easy, but the experience that entrepreneurs acquire over time will surely ease the handling of all resources. Perhaps one could say that entrepreneur process ends here, but I think it is not no longer an entrepreneur and he becomes a full businessman or businesswoman. Now, further presentation will be explained by Sheikh Saklin.
uh, Entrepreneur process event and stages. In these four stages, innovation, a triggering event, implementation, and growth. In innovation, it is the time when the entrepreneur generates the innovative idea, identify the market opportunity, and look for information. Also, it begins to see the feasibility of ideas, the ability to get value from it, and how generate the development of the product or service. Next, triggering event. This event is the uh, gestation time of the project. The entrepreneur begins to motivate himself to start a business and to decide to proceed with the business plan is created, as well as the identification of the resources required, the project risk, the source of the fund, and how they would use them. Implementation. In implementation, this event include the incorporation of resources and arm the project to launch their new business to the market. The strategy and business plan begin to develop day by day, and the use of resources are invested in favor of building a successful company. Further, next, growth will explain by Shehab Sheikh.
Growth. The ideal event for any entrepreneur is to see how their company is constantly growing. The activities of the previous event ideally lead to the business to stages of maturity of maximize profitability for the better benefits. Growth is the stage of the entrepreneurial process in which the reflected time and effort spent by entrepreneur at this time, to keep up the pace of the business growth, the entrepreneur must keep up his personal development to continue also his internal growth. The growth is actually collaborative. Is there is an entrepreneurial ecosystem improvement that also aids the manual work. Thank you.